feeling left out. Not in the group.
Yeah, you're not in the group. God,
Wow.
Nico.
Me and you, Nico.
Wow, Nico. Cloud Bastion one day.
Maybe one day.
The dream. Yo, Cloud does play Diva though. I'm just saying.
Why do you keep bringing that up?
Cause
What do you
one
want to
day,
do?
Cloud.
What do you want to do?
I think I'm gonna work on my Macreala.
Okay.
What are you doing, Mitty?
I don't know. Part of me wants to go Farah.
Then go far.
Just remember, man. This is practice.
That's not what I meant.
This goes against your SR, so.
Yeah, there's no SR involved, so we can throw as much as we want.
Well, it's more so like what they're running. Like,
Well, we are attack. We can always adjust.
yeah, I know. I'm just saying. Just thinking about what they're gonna play. What they could potentially play.
Ooh, Echo.
They can't aim at both of us.
3 of us will be in the sky. It'd be great.
4 of us, and you can't.
I'm gonna
guess
be there
me.
too. Yeah, me
Yeah.
too.
The flying Reinhardt.
That's me in the
just
sky.
hanging onto my toes.
Where are they at?
Okay. Widow.
Where is she?
Don't let me bury her
Right,
up.
if Widow
main,
gets me
straight
trouble
main,
on
straight
Echo,
main,
then I'll
straight
swap
main.
for her.
She's up top.
Bap is top left.
Map dropped.
Thank you. I'm gonna try and disrupt.
Bap is purple. Bap is low. Bap is 1. Bap is 1.
I'm
Going,
dead.
going.
Flashbang?
Going.
Okay, I'm healing up.
Go in,
I'm
I'm resing. Mitty!
Oh,
Reload
shit,
right
I didn't know you were gonna
Rein's
go
one,
for it.
Rein's one.
Okay, I'm on range.
Rein's one, nice.
Mine's dead.
Marina
Widow's
flashbang.
on the left. Widow's up top again. Widow got res.
Go for the McCree first. He's on point.
Yes,
He's on
okay,
point.
nice. What
Now
else?
I'll
There
go
is
for
Widow.
She's one. Nice.
Nice.
Stop coughing. You're a robot.
They went Ash. No more Widow.
Do they have a Mercy or just Ash?
Just dash.
Just Ash.
Alright.
Sorry, no personal.
We got Nano.
Really?
But,
I
one here.
might swap to Ash if she puts too much pressure on me.
Give me a second. I'm healing Des.
Oh, Echo's or Anna's one. Woo!
Oh no.
I know,
Sorry,
I
Rein's
know.
one.
Res.
It's okay. The Arissa
Okay,
one
I'm hard
broke.
Holy.
Thank you.
Sorry, no personal.
We got
Reinhardt's
Nano.
not better, yeah. Where did Reinhardt go?
We can engage with. We can engage.
I don't know.
With. Any eyes?
I don't see him.
I don't know where the fuck he went. I think he's in the center.
He's got to be in pylons, right?
No, I don't.
No, he's main. He's main. He's main.
Okay.
They're way back. They're way back, guys. They're way back. Way back.
Oh god. Thank you.
Let me know when you have fire
Yeah, they
shot.
got
Flash shatter, yeah.
I'm gonna try to steal Ash and throw Bob in. We'll see how it
Sounds
goes.
good.
Ash is up top.
Got a damage boost.
Thank you.
Fully.
Suddenly
Gonna
they've
go
all
res mid.
disappeared.
I got
We're
stunned.
getting Nano. We're getting Nano. Boo.
I'm dead. Ash is up top. Behind you.
Sorry, behind. It's our point.
Ash is still behind.
I don't know
There's
why
no
I
healing.
cannot
I got
aim
her, I
at
got her.
Anna. Jesus Christ.
I'll be back.
And
Where's the Ash?
oh, I missed the
She's
charge.
dead. She's dead. I killed her. Kill the Zarya if you can.
Sorry.
Nice. No
Nice,
charge.
Bemmer.
I'm gonna jump back up in 3
They have a
seconds
Zen now.
and
They
do
have a
that
Zen
again.
now.
Junkrat, Zen.
Ooh, okay.
I
I
had
had that one. Kill the land.
Hell, Discord. Ooh.
Nice.
Just let him use. Just let him use. Next time we go in, try to make some room for Midi to ult.
Maka Midi.
Yeah.
Or run around like a monkey, and they'll go for me.
Let me know when you want ult, Midi.
They've got the orb on Bima right now.
Rude. Ooh, back one, back one, back one.
Come on, Ash at the top.
Ash is behind, Ash is behind!
I
Like,
see
way
her, I see her,
behind.
I see her. I'm dead. Ash is still behind, guys. Ash is still behind.
Yeah, back
Okay,
up here.
I'm going.
Still behind.
She's
still
low.
behind.
She's still there!
No, she's half. My bad.
I can't get out!
Let me use my ult. Let me steal Diva ult, and then I will go out.
She's still behind us.
I think
Yeah.
so.
Front now.
Or she
She's
was.
in front now. I just saw her.
Okay.
Okay. Let's get in there.
Now I know where you want to again.
I'm going with...
Oh my
gonna-
god. Oh my god.
I'm
Oh my
gonna
god. I
try
need
to
help. I need
steal.
help.
Okay, Penny.
I'm gonna try to steal Diva here. Get ready to push in. Are you guys ready
Oh,
to push?
back up. No, no,
Back
no.
up, back up. Wait,
No,
wait,
no.
wait, wait, wait. Yeah, just wait.
I really want to flank and ult.
Okay,
Right
I'll try
here,
to steal
might
Diva
shatter
while
now.
you do. They can't pay attention
There,
to both.
though. That might not
Go
be
ahead,
a good
go ahead.
idea.
Go ahead.
Oh shit.
I'm going in. I'm going. Hold on.
Alright, we're here.
In the mega. Someone's in the mega in the, back here behind us.
Reiner has shatter.
I'm dead.
I'm down.
What?
He's shattered.
Bap is one.
I'm gonna swap.
You can still keep going. You're... Never mind.
Their Bevis is still going in the flanks. Even on that push, she was on the flank.
Kind of wish they had killed me earlier. Oh my god, I walked into that. I'm sorry.
Watch her flank.
I'm gonna falling ground.
We going in?
Yeah.
Junkrat's
go.
one.
Break Ryan shield. Break Ryan shield.
Any
Ash behind us again. Yet again.
He's behind!
Where? You gotta
Same
stay
place.
where?
Same place.
Behind,
How was that?
behind. I got her.
No. Well, I got them no pops and ult.
Droid on the other side.
Okay, got another ult.
Yeah, we can use Bema and Destiny.
Okay.
I'm just gonna try to steal Divas again. Last time they focused me a little too hard.
Yeah, we'll make some space for you.
Unless if you want me to take Ryan. No.
Oh.
Let's dodge that.
I almost died to that.
Sights on Ash. Sights on Ash.
Okay,
No,
four
no
seconds
eyes on
until I
Ash,
can
no eyes
fly
on
out.
Ash is behind! Ash is behind! She's in the lane.
Okay, I'm backing up.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go over here.
We're all going after. Yeah, no, we're gonna go after. Go
Watch
after.
this.
Kill her.
Okay, go.
Okay,
go.
let's go. Let's go.
Wait for me, Bimba.
I'll grab a health pack. I'll grab a health pack. Go for the team.
Okay.
Another what? Oh no! Can't believe we had that again already.
Are we able to res it? Or no?
No, they're taking
how
stuff
they're
for
putting
I'm
down.
gonna try to keep her even.
Okay.
I can res it now.
Nano. Shit.
Kill the lamp, kill the lamp.
That was a nice pull, Destiny.
Yeah. So just need to. Where's that go? Two there.
I've got ult. I'm gonna try and go all the way around.
Midi, if you can make them turn around, I can shatter. There's a diva on our left.
Oh, yeah. Do you want me to help push that way with you, mids? Okay, pause
I'm
with you,
going
never
with Midi.
mind. Okay, I'm with the tanks.
Back up, back up.
Back
We
up.
got Ash,
Yep.
we got Ash.
Oh, that's a big
There's a
pig.
back window in front of our faces.
Okay, I'm gonna go behind, guys. Guys, I need help. Help.
Okay,
We're
okay,
Okay,
healing up.
okay, I'm
pushing,
fine.
pushing.
Jump at one.
Dang.
Lamp.
Yeah, let them pop that.
Loading.
Call targets.
Ryan is
Ooh,
in front,
okay,
Ryan is in
hold on,
front.
I'm going. Right side, jump
Right
from
side,
the
right side.
It's me.
Stay on point,
Forward.
stay on point.
I can still res
I
it.
must have Bob, that's why I'm playing off.
Thank you. Run her. Uh-oh.
Down point.
Loading.
Runner's one, runner's one.
Yeah, Ryan is
your own cart. Get your own cart.
Hey, good job.
You're pushing too hard for me to plan out nanos. This time, I have to do this defensive, like, oh shit, someone's low.
It's alright. I'm doing the same with my Valks.
I swear I'm just so unlucky because I always get it as I'm like reloading from like a low amount. I'm like, oh shit, hold on. It should speed up my reload speed.
That sounds terrifying.
Yeah, I think I needed to swap
it's
to
okay,
Ash
it's okay.
sooner though. I think I got focused too much on
We're
Echo.
attacking again.
Oh.
Things happening again. I'm reloading it.
Doing-
Oh, right.
Yeah, they had to swap it because
Oh, yeah,
we're doing
duh.
scrim rules. It's
Duh,
scrim,
scrim rules.
guys.
Oh, I did
I'm
that last
tired.
time.
I'm tired. That's why I forgot.
It's scuff scrim. It's fine.
Mhm.
When is there not a scuff scrim?
I have no idea. What are you going, Mitty?
I hate to just like automatically pick Junkrat every time, so I'm gonna try and pick some.
It's your brand.
I'm gonna go
Mitty.
Hanzo.
Midi,
Alright,
I know
sounds
it's my
good.
brand,
you
but
can't, yeah, you can't fight like. I don't fight Ash. Just let it happen. Just embrace.
I know, but I want to get better at like other heroes.
Yeah,
Like if we need
embrace
like a
Ash.
Genji or a Hanzo.
Wait.
Bree.
Go, Greg.
Bree.
Wait, you guys are talking about it. I'm just repeating it. Alright, I'm gonna stand in front of my grenade.
Can I have all that?
Oh, I missed.
They got a Reinhardt, and was that a hog or was that a diva?
They have a window maker.
Is that a tracer?
That is a hog. It is a hog.
They're coming up
And
the
a
stairs.
Zen.
Fat one's, yeah, fat one's coming up here.
Widow's low.
Fat one's here.
Okay,
My
let's go
barrier's
point,
down.
go
Let's
back to
drop.
point. Go back to point. Careful,
Oh,
I
God.
got hit by Widow.
On the right,
Brian's
on
on
the right,
point
on
on the right.
McCree's coming in. Reno flashbang?
I'm dead. Widow's up top right.
Rodog's in the back.
I'm down.
You're down
Target,
3.
target.
Oh, my bad. Widow was waiting for me and I walked
You're
in.
down 4.
I should have data after this.
Time to regroup. We'll all get. We should get split
Okay,
one except for
don't,
yeah.
be really careful peeking because, yeah,
Okay.
because of Widow.
She's
because
up
of
top.
Widow.
She's up top. She's up top on the little.
Don't fight her yet.
I'm gonna
Don't
come
fight
with
her
you,
yet.
Emma. Let's
Alright,
go up there.
fucking spawn then.
Mitty got bad spawned.
Let's see if she's moving.
It's okay.
You see her?
I see.
Yeah, she's gone.
Ah, it's lower top. Take it
Wait,
top.
look,
top,
no,
top.
there.
Nico dropped,
Widow's
guys.
on the tank.
I'm with Nico.
No, some of y'all need to stay up top. Some of y'all need to stay up top.
I am.
Uh-oh.
People are. I'm
Hogs
staying
up
with
top.
them.
Hogs up top.
Oh, the immortality field.
Field is down. Field is down.
Yeah, field's
Green's
down.
hog
Pig's
to the
still-
left,
That
to
one's
the right.
on.
Order.
Reiner has shatter here.
Widow got me. Are you able to
Widow's
try
main.
to spam her
Hog
a little
behind.
bit, Mitty?
I'm down.
She's behind us.
Sorry.
Hog's still behind. I'm gonna not do anything. I have ult.
Ooh, we can just communicate with Paul. That could be huge.
Oh yeah.
Bongos.
I might have to throw Bob
That
on
one's
point.
here.
I almost have him.
Do it.
Okay. Stop him, I think. Oh, they ulted him off. Wow.
Widow is.
I got pushed back
Fuck.
too.
I'm gonna swap.
Yeah, I need some help.
I
with
got
Widow.
her.
Put your heads.
Hog's pushing up. He's on the mega.
I think
Nice.
not.
Nice,
Mitty.
Mitty.
Behind us,
Jeez,
hog.
that's
Behind us,
fine.
hog. Behind us, hog. Hog.
Okay, who's
Purple
gonna go
though.
back to get Hog? Do we need to all
I'll
go
go.
back?
I'll go.
Okay.
I'll
He's
bongo.
gone.
I got killed.
Hog's in front. Hog's in front now.
Bongoing.
Back up. Back up.
Right.
Scott, wall.
Get ready for
Scott,
Hog
wall.
to go behind. He might go behind.
He's going
Oh, God,
behind.
he's
Shatter.
behind.
He just
Alright.
kept getting picked.
What a fighting
Yeah.
pig. Is there? Was that time? And the widow.
Score